now police is again becoming active, and now we have ensured we will ensure that everybody wears mask. So that is to make aware.
So Goa is a tourist destination. So because of that, a number of tourists especially come to Goa. And we have seen a lot of them not following the proper protocol and SOPs and all. So any strict, because
Yeah,
health department is thinking of putting more strict fines on not wearing mask.
We are making public aware because people got relaxed when it was reduced, the COVID cases reduced. Now again it is increasing in the country. So I have asked my whole policemen to take round of market area, to take round of tourist places, and at least tell them that they should wear mask, especially at airport and railway station, market area and beaches.
Do you think some more fines, hefty fines should be in place because some of these people or the tourists are not wearing the mask?
My point is first, let's make them aware. Again, we have to make people got relaxed when it was reduced. So now it is high time that all agencies, including police, have to be active.
So other issue as far as drug spaces and all are concerned. How is the Goa police looking onto these issues and nabbing and totally putting an end to it?
In drug cases, we have got zero policy. Even instructions of Honorable CM is also there that there should not be any drug in Goa. So whenever we are getting any information, we are arresting cases, whether it is ANC, whether it is local police or crime.
Sir, have you seen that frontline workers, especially from your department, they got the vaccine, but they tier 1 over elder people, they are not to get the vaccine because of their government has some strategy. Would you like to speak the government that they should get the vaccine?
Even
Especially
families of frontline workers should be
get
covered.
the vaccines, especially elder people who are in the rural areas and all. Because most of the people.
Yeah, I
are
don't
coming
want
from
to
the rural.
comment on those issues. These are health department issues.
But
I
you
can
like to
only
suggest
say
that
that we have been provided vaccines and we are
So
getting.
don't you think the families of frontline workers should be covered under vaccination?
I don't want to comment on this.
But you like to suggest the government such thing because they are from the many of them.
I can only say that government has provided vaccine to
Yeah.
frontline workers. Thank you.
Thank you.